Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a delicious and nutritious treat for you. We're going to make a strawberry banana chia seed protein shake that's perfect for post-workout recovery. Let's kick things off with the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. 1 scoop of strawberry protein powder. Half a banana. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Some ice cubes to make it extra refreshing. Blend that fucker up. And there you have it, folks. Our strawberry banana chia seed protein shake is ready to enjoy. It's not only delicious, but also a fantastic way to refuel your body after a workout. And here are the nutrition facts. 344 calories, 9 grams fat, 31 grams of carbs, and 35 grams of protein. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty and healthy recipes. And remember, stay fueled, stay fit, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.